Hello class. Now let us start writing program for nested loop. So this is our program 6 and we want to write the program of nested loop. Okay, now nested loop is possible with any combination. I mean while within a while, for within a for within a while within a for, do while within a while within a do while, and so on. There is no limitations. Okay, that how can you nest your loop? Nest means writing one loop within the other loop. Okay, and gradually when you will do lots of practice while you are going to write programs, at that time gradually you will come to know that when you have to use nested loop. Don't worry, it is not possible that in day one only you will judge that how can I use nested loop, but of course you can practice it how to use nested loop. Okay, so let me write a program of nested loop, and here we are trying to print something like this. Suppose I want to print like 1 multiplied by 1 equals 1. Then, yeah, I want to print 1 multiplied by 2 equals 2. Then 1 multiplied by 3 equals 3. Same way, at the same time, then after I want to print 2 multiplied by, 2 multiplied by 1 equals to 2. Okay. Then 2 multiplied by 2 equals 4. Then 2 multiplied by 3 equals 6. Okay. And then we are trying to print 3 multiplied by 1 equals 3. 3 multiplied by 2 equals 6. And 3 multiplied by 3 equals 9. Okay. So here look at the output. We want to generate output something like this. Okay, so we can take outer loop and inner loop. Look at this value. This is 1, right? And here the value is changed from 1 to 3. Now this is 2. And here value changed from 1 to 3. This is 3. And here the value changed from 1 to 3. Okay, means what? I can write outer loop where it's a value. First it will be 1, then it will be 2, and then it will be 3. And I can use inner loop where its value will be 1, 2, and 3, then again 1, 2, and 3, then again 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so let me write code. Okay, so first is include IO stream using namespace std. Our main function is there, and we will write a loop like int I and j. Now this is my outer loop. Okay, I want to execute for 1, 2, and 3. So look at here, 1, 2, and 3. So this is my outer loop. Okay, and then I want to write my inner loop. Its value is also going to become 1, 2, and 3. So look at here, this is my inner loop. And my inner loop is over, and then my outer loop is over. Make sure you don't forget any brackets. Okay, and here while first time my outer loop is execute, I want the next output in a new line. So after one inner loop, I want to build /. Now look at here. I value is 1, and then 1 less than or equals 3. Yes, we will be inside the loop. Okay, now at that time j value is 1. Now 1 is less than 3. Yes, so what was the I value? It was 1. Now j value, it is 1. So we'll write like 1 multiplied by 1 equals to 1. Okay, now look at this. This is a for loop. So as it is loop, it will execute multiple times till this condition is true. So now j value will become 2. Okay, because j plus plus, so 2. Now 2 less than or equals 3. Yes, then again it will continue to multiply with I. So what was the I value? We have start with 1, right? So still I value is 1. So 1 multiplied by 2 equals to 2 will get. Now again this inner loop will continue and J value will become 3. 3 less than or equals 3? Yes. Then it will multiply with I. So 1 multiplied by 3 equals to 3. Inner loop will continue. J value will become 4. 4 less than or equals 3? No. So we will be out of our inner loop and will be here. Okay. Now look at here. Here we are like in outer loop. So I value was 1 first time. Now it will be increased by 1. So 2. 2 less than or equals 3? Yes. Then again J value will start from 1. Okay. Because it is a complete execution has been started again. So again J value will start from 1 and it will go move 3 till 3 and then again outer loop. So you can find that inner loop will execute multiple times. Okay, and then outer loop. Now let me run our code and we might need to adjust something. Okay. Look at our output. Okay, so we are getting output 1 multiplied by 1 equals 1, 1 multiplied by 2 equals 2, 1 multiplied by 3 equals 3. Okay, the next is 2 multiplied by 1 equals 2, 2 multiplied by 2 equals 4, 2 multiplied by 3 equals 6. Okay, so this is same output, but instead of like vertical line, we are getting output in a horizontal line. Okay, so this we can set like instead of slash t, can write slash n. But later on, this will be not possible. It will be the below this output. Okay. Sorry. Let me run it. One multiplied by 1, 1 multiplied by 2, 1 multiplied by 3. Then 2 multiplied by 1, 2, 4, and 6. Okay. So this is how can we use nested loop. I hope it is clear and easy. Thank you.